is a Krull to arms. Follow me to glory!
What's up, people? So I'm getting some complaints that I'm just talking about stocks lately, so I'll just do this for you. Don't worry about it. The rage is always there. If you really want to see what's going on behind the scenes, you want to have the fun times, generally between 1 o'clock and 4. That's when we're having a good time on the Hit the Bid radio broadcast. We take it a lot serious. A lot of the things are serious now. Real serious. Serious as shorting Priceline calls. Congratulations. Got like 5 or 6 emails where people actually did what I told you guys to do. Bless you. You took in that premium. You were looking for that stock to fall. You couldn't pony up the cash to buy puts on a stock where you were trading 30 points of premium. So you set up what you want to do is you want to sell premium. So right now, if anybody did that trade, you're real happy because the premium just came out of those options and you're sitting there with a nice profit. Now, if you followed me into this MCP trade, that's another story. Stock's doing nothing. Looking like it's gapped down about $1 and change. This thing might be done, kids. So much for another sector. 2012 shaping up just like we said it would. Comeuppance. You got your DEX. You got your GMCRs. You got your your Netflix. You got a whole bunch of stocks that are just taking a beat down because there is no room for error this year. As much as the market was so great those first 3 months, now we're in that put up or shut up kind of mode. So Priceline didn't put up. They took it down 100 points. What's going to happen next? What's going to happen next is the big question. Whether or not this market is going to give back those first 3 glorious months. Hey, it could happen. It could happen right now. And I can tell you one thing, Priceline could easily go to 650, maybe even today. Now MCP, this thing looks like it's rolling over and it's going to die. Same thing with Walter Energy, same thing with US Steel. Will AIG hang in there? All the stocks that we've come to know and love, we're picking off these lows. They're now going back down to points where they might not bounce as easily. So we'll have to play them accordingly, or maybe we'll just move on and find some other names. Thing is, you got to know what's going on, so you got to come to the broadcast. You got to feel what's happening in this market. And just like we're thinking short right now, at 11 o'clock, next thing you know, everything could be changing on a dime, and we'll be buying everything in sight. That's the way it is, and that's the greatest part about this market. I just want to give a shout out to JP Morgan. Thank you. Because apparently all their losses in trading have happened over the last couple of weeks. This has been the best 2 weeks for the Hit the Bid crew in a long, long time. Best 2 weeks I think we've ever had. Even with the failed attempt to short Priceline 3 or 4 times last week. Even with this MCP mess up. Even with Morgan Stanley and Cisco and some of the stocks you might have been holding on to. The trading has been fantastic. So thank you, JP Morgan, for sucking. All right, see you guys in the room.